Hey guys, so my final thoughts on the little Amazon Prime Beauty Sponge Washer are, it does kind of work, but not really. It's really fun to use, but I found that when I put my sponge in the little washer, it was spinning like crazy because it was dry. So once it absorbed all the liquid, it got heavy, went down, and the spinner wouldn't spin anymore. So that was a flop. And then when I put the brush in, if you go all the way down as well, it won't spin, so you have to kind of hold it halfway. And when I rinsed it, the water ran clear once I squeezed everything out, but my bristles still had foundation on them, so I don't know if it has anything to do with it took too long to wash my brush or what, but I'll try doing it the old-fashioned way and see if it really actually cleaned my brush. So, but it's fun. Try it out. $7 on Amazon.